XRP holders, we got a video for you guys. Can we see XRP reach a $10 price per coin? We're going to be talking about that today. So without further ado, welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Let's hop in this video. Anything I say is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. It is for entertainment purposes only. So let's hop into this video. Okay, so I do want to talk about this little tweet I made over on Crypto Twitter. Follow me at 333 Blacksea. I say, crypto feels quiet. Too quiet. Guys, I've been trading crypto for over a decade at this point, and I just want to say that when things get really, really quiet, when like the social risk reaches bear market lows, usually you get ready to see a massive move. All right, and I do think that this time is no different. Maybe maybe not the entire market will make a massive move, but I do think that there will be a large move when it comes to Bitcoin, and you guys know the story. When Bitcoin makes a big move, all the other coins do as well. So I do see, I don't see it, but I do see the social metrics being extremely low right now, and I do sense it. I sense the quietness inside Crypto Twitter on these social media platforms, the YouTube views, the YouTube subs, and I'm monitoring all of these different YouTube channels, and I see that, guys, the social metrics are very, very low risk right now, which is a good thing if you are expecting retail investors to be piling in, because when retail's not here, there's usually some great opportunities. So looking at XRP right now, guys, we are trading at $2.22, trading between this channel of $2.37 and $2.07. Really, I've been just high leverage scalping. I have not been entering any long-term long positions. I've been just really trading on anywhere from the 15-minute to 1 hour time frames. I've been scalping to the upside, to the downside, just trying to accumulate as much crypto as I can during this window until I get that green light that we're going to see a further move to the upside, a breakout above $2.35, or a breakdown below $2.07, guys. Now, what do I always say? I'm an altcoin trader and a Bitcoin investor, guys. So I'm not going to be just hoarding XRP right now. Yes, I am bullish on XRP, but I'm not going to be hoarding it until I get confirmation that we're going to start to see continuation of the upside. Now, when you look at Market Cipher, you see a nice green dot here on the momentum wave. I do expect a little bit of relief here, and I do think that we probably see that play out in the next daily, weekly. I mean, really the weekly candle closure is in the next 21 hours and 30 minutes. It's not that far away. If we see any weekly candle closure really anywhere above like $2.20, I'd really love to see it above like $2.30. But really, like, I would be happy with $2.25. If we see a weekly candle closure of that, I'm going to expect continuation of the upside. Now, I did have my $200,000 XRP long position open. I basically caught it at around $2.07 after we saw this huge wick to the downside, caught the knife, and got stopped out in the profit after we broke back down below $2.35. Guys, I am not doing those types of trades right now. I am in and out, high leverage, scalping, low time frame, guys. If you do want to trade as well, check out in the description box below or pinned comment down below. We have a lot of awesome sign-on bonuses to a lot of different exchanges. I've been using Blofin recently, and they have a $4.2 million prize pool going on right now, and you can win a Tesla Cybertruck. Pretty cool. It's all based purely on trading volume, so the more you trade, the more rewards you get. So feel free to check that out. So looking at XRP, guys, can we get to a $10 XRP? Is that possible? I know we've talked about a lot of different price predictions, and I know a lot of people talk about crazy, crazy price predictions. I've seen $10,000 price predictions for XRP. It's pretty tough to comprehend that being possible, okay? I know a lot of people are going to be offended by that. Guys, listen, I'm bullish on XRP. I think XRP has a lot of opportunity to make big moves to the upside when it comes to all the millions of cryptocurrencies out there. I think that XRP is going to be an outlier. It's ranked 4 right now. It is the 4th largest cryptocurrency, okay? And that is including a stable coin, all right? I think that a $10 XRP is possible. You look at that, that's basically a 5x from here. You're talking about a half a $1 trillion market cap. I think that's very, very possible, especially if you see XRP get integrated into these banks, guys. And we're seeing that play out. We're seeing, I posted a tweet over on Crypto Twitter a couple days ago. I made a video about it, that over 4,000 financial institutions are set to, they've announced that they are going to be using XRP by the end of 2025. 4,000 institutions. That's a big deal, guys. And I do expect that XRP is only going to increasingly increase their exposure into these financial institutions. And guys, I'm going to be honest. I think that XRP is going to be integrated into banks, and then that's going to be a wrap. I think that that is going to be when you see these massive, massive moves to the upside. You look at the overall market right now, Bitcoin's at 108,000. Weekend price action right now, we've been basically pegged here, and Bitcoin dominance has been pegged here for the past week or so. But guys, I will say that it's been quite bullish seeing Bitcoin and all the alts increase in value while Bitcoin dominance has stayed flat, because to me that says there's more money just coming into the crypto ecosystem as a whole and not just money rotating around, which is bullish, guys. It's bullish. But all in all here, guys, like seeing a $10 XRP, like what does Bitcoin have to do? Is it up to Bitcoin anymore? Yes, I'll be honest. I think that the days of focusing on Bitcoin dominance for altcoin season is not really the number one factor to be looking at. Yes, obviously it'll be an indicator that yes, money is rotating into alts versus Bitcoin, but I think that this all comes down to Bitcoin is in an institutional bull market right now. Institutions are not creating these crazy accumulations of XRP just yet. I think it's possible that does play out at some point, but right now, I don't think that plays out just yet. I think that's a few years down the road. I think what we're really waiting for here is for the Fed to pivot. I think we're waiting for the Fed to cut interest rates. I think we're waiting for the Fed to pivot towards quantitative easing, guys. Retail investors do not have money right now. They do not have money to be buying XRP like they did back in 2021 and back when we saw this crazy run up when altcoins went to the moon, guys. Now is a different time. It's a different time. But I will say, regardless, I do expect Bitcoin to play out higher than where it's at right now by the end of 2025. And I do expect altcoins to rally when that happens. The question is, will we see XRP go to $10? Is that possible? I think that my first price target here is I really want to see a breakout of $3.36. If that does happen, I expect a touch and a test of about $5 and I believe it was about 57 cents. Yeah, $5.57. I think that's an appropriate level to be looking at for a breakout. And once we get to that level, I think we'll probably be a little bit more further down the road when it comes to regulation with stablecoins, crypto, and banking. Then I think that $10 is possible for XRP, guys. So let me know in the comments below. Are you bullish on XRP? Are you frustrated? I understand if you're frustrated because this has not been an easy road for altcoin holders really this entire cycle, the past 4 years. But guys, let me know in the comments below. Do you think that XRP can reach a $10 price? Is it possible? I think there's a world where it does happen. But guys, that's all I got. Hit that like button. Check out those awesome affiliate links down below. It really helps support this channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.